Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine PDF files into one. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google adobe.com and hit enter, and you need to wait for a few seconds to open this website, and then you simply need to click on PDF and e-signature, and here you can see online tools, and here you can see merge PDF. You simply need to click on that. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can see the select files, and you need to upload two files. So let's suppose I select this one and select another file, so this one. Okay, so once you select it, you simply need to click on this merge icon here, and once you click on that, in the video the files will start merging, and because these files are in other format, so that's why this option is not enabled, but you have this option enable, and you simply need to click on that, and you can easily merge files and download. So this is the process by which you can combine PDF files into one. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.